Hi everybody, this is Kayla back with the Country Crafter Studio. Thanks for joining me again today. I will be showing a super fun project with this Hello Cupcake set, which is a free celebration item that you can earn. There's not much time left to earn this stamp set. It ends March 31st, 2019. All you have to do is place a $50 or more order in my online store, and you can earn this stamp set for free, and you can make the project that I will be sharing with you. So again, we will be using the Hello Cupcake stamp set, and I will be using the Sweet Wishes stamp, and we will be making a little treat bag using these yummy Hershey Nuggets. So I already have my paper cut. This is Lemon Lime Twist, and I have this at 2.5 by 5. I have this scored right in the middle. And then I have some of our DSP. This is the Butterfly Botanical, I think is what it's called. And this is also a free item that you can earn. I just love this paper. And these are all 3 by 1 inch. And this is Whisper White, and I have this at 2.25 by 2.25. We will be using our cellophane bags. You get 50 in this pack, so it's a fabulous deal. I love these. And they hold the nuggets just so perfectly. They fit right in there. So let's start by wrapping up our chocolate. So just flip over the paper that you need to put the adhesive on. And I'll be using our Fast Fuse. This is retired, but you can use tear and tape. That will work just fine. And then I can come in with my nuggets. Just a tip, they are always wrapped the same, so you always want to make sure Hershey is pointed to the right and your paper is to the left. Stick it on at the end. Rub it down and then wrap it. That makes sure that you're wrapping the wrapper to itself. Otherwise, if you wrap the other way, I noticed it would sometimes come apart. So again, I have the word Hershey pointed to the right, my paper is to the left, and I wrap. Okay, there is all of our nuggets. So we can go ahead and put those in our bag here. Get this one. Okay, just shake it a little bit and they all go to the bottom. Alright, so we've got that, and now I've got, again, my Lemon Lime Twist. 5 by 2.5. This is scored at 2.5, and we're going to fold that and bring in my bone folder. Okay, so I just put that right on top. So what I will be doing is I will be using our old stapler. I wish we still carry this, but we don't. Any stapler adhesive will work. If you are using a stapler, just a tip, staple backwards, because we're going to cover this ugly stuff, so then you have a nice pretty on the back. So then let's come in and do some stamping. I have my Sweet Wishes already mounted, and I will be using Highland Heather ink pad. We're going to stamp this towards the bottom. Beautiful. That's the only stamping you need for this project. Then I'm coming in with the Butterfly Duet Punch, which we'll be carrying over into the annual catalog. So I cut out this butterfly. I liked this color, so I wanted to use this one. And we are going to use the Take Your Pick tool to help us with this. This is a putty tip, so it holds your paper. So, because I cut it already, I can't really maneuver it that well. So I just use my Take Your Pick tool. And I can maneuver it to where I want it and punch. Alright, and let's come in and adhere this with our snail. We are going to put this right in the middle there. Then I'll come in with a glue dot. And I'm just gonna fold my wings here. And get a glue dot on my butterfly. And stick that right there. There you go. How fun is that? That is so simple, so fast. I did this one with the green butterfly. And then I also did this one, which didn't involve any stamping, just a little bit of our organdy ribbon. So that is our quick project for today. I do want to thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do put out a new video every Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.